Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfers. So today I will share with you some interesting courses especially for web developers and programmers. So this video is basically for educational and informational purposes only. I have collected all the courses from the internet which is available totally free. So follow the step by step tutorial to get these premium Udemy courses absolutely free. Copy the first link and go to one of your browser and paste this link. I will provide all those courses link in the video description. So then you have to, so this is the course basically for introduction to Python programming. So to get this course, firstly you have to log in. Click on login and Google, continue and continue. So as you can see this, I have successfully logged in the Udemy website. So to get this course I have to click on enroll now. So you can see this is basically free course. So this is a game changing course for beginners who want to learn Python programming absolutely free. So click on enroll now and here you can start your course from here. Click start course. So as you can see this is the course module where you will get up and running with Python. Here welcome to the course and read this before starting the course. And in the second session you will get lots of videos where step by step completing those course you will get lots of knowledge and you can learn it totally free. So here you can see this, they have also provided resources. So this is lecture code. If you go to lecture code, here you will also get this lecture code and you can also run this code by this run option. So if I click this run option, here you can see this there is showing his name. So if I go to this next course, so next course is basically for Python programmers who want to learn Python. So this is basically a C programming course for beginners. So this is basically C++ tutorial for beginners. So who want to learn C++, this is basically a new programmers who want to learn programming, they can start with this course. So to get this course you have to click enroll now and here you can start this course. So look, this is the introduction, screen resolution and basic syntax. So you will get complete. So you will also get a bonus session, conclusion and advanced C++. So congratulations and advanced C++ course. So you will get also advanced C++ course benefits by getting this course. So I will go for next course which is basically web design secrets. So to get this course, enroll now and you will get this course absolutely free of cost. If I go to next course, JavaScript essentials. So if I copy this, you can see this is basically JavaScript essential. So you want to learn website development and Python, those who want to learn JavaScript essentials for making a perfect and expert website, they should enroll this course totally free of cost and you should start this course from now. So if you start this course you will get total module of this course. So introduction and then basic syntax, comparison, DOM manipulation and final review. So you'll get step by step tutorial on this course. So this they have covered all the topic from beginner to expert. So they should you can see this, they have also provided resources where you will get zip code and by downloading this zip file you will get lots of resources in this file. So if I go to the next course, this is basically Android developer from scratch. Those who want to learn Android development from beginner to advanced they should start this course, and this is also a free course. They should enroll now. So those courses are provided at Udemy. So everyone who want to get Udemy courses totally free of cost, they should subscribe our channel and follow our other tutorial also. So start course.
Do you have an
So you can see this, they have covered all the topics step by step tutorials. So in the section 1 you will get introduction of this course, and then this is basically a game changing course for Android developers who want to learn Android development. So thank you so much for your time. If you get the lots of other resources, so join our others community and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for your time.